Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have for you a clean with me. I just thought I needed to do this. I let my house get to a mess so I could purposely do this video. Am I a Miss Hinch? Definitely not. Am I still learning? Yes, so here it goes. So the first thing I start off with is the toilet, and I just wipe this all down with a Dettol wipe. I don't actually really like using wipes, but I currently have them in my cupboard, so I'm kind of just using them up in the time being. But I prefer not to use wipes just because, you know, the environment and whatnot. But yeah, this is just disgusting. If you live with a boy, honestly, I feel your pain, because I think from now on I'm going to make him clean it, because it's just disgusting. Honestly, why are men disgusting and gross? Then I just use this Duck Deep Action Gel, just put it all around the toilet, and I usually just let that sit and while I do the rest of the bathroom. So now using the sink, I am using the Flash Bathroom. This is so good. Literally just squirt it all over, put a bit of warm water in the sink, and then just wipe away. Honestly, look at the colour of the sink. Well, not the sink, sorry, the water. Ugh, it's honestly disgusting. Then I'm using the bicarbonate, is that right, of soda and white vinegar just to clear the drains. It's kind of pointless using the spoon, as honestly it just went everywhere. Then using the white vinegar to clean the mirror. Onto the bath. Cleaning away everything on the side. Really need to wash that flannel. And again, I am going to use the bathroom spray, the Flash one. You can get this in a cream form, I believe. That will probably be better for the bath, but I'm just using the spray. And put some more water and wipe it down. This was honestly disgusting with fake tan. It had like bath bomb residue. It had hair dye all around from where Sam has decided to dye his hair. He has now shaved it from quarantine. Really got to him. Oh yeah, if you haven't noticed already, my trousers are actually back to front. I know, I hate myself. I didn't realise until halfway through this video, and I was like, oh, I can't actually go back on myself and clean, so I just had to deal with it. See, I just annoy myself. It's really embarrassing. Anyway, yeah, so now I'm just cleaning up this area. Is there any way you can tell me to fold like towels better? Because I just can't make them look pretty in this little section. Because is there a way? Is there a machine I can get? I don't know. They just don't look as pretty. Maybe, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But if there's any tips for like towels or a way to fold towels, please let me know, because I would be very grateful for that. Then this section, all I did was wipe it down with a wipe, but I didn't realise the camera actually died at this point, but yeah. Back to the toilet now, and just cleaning off all of that gel around the toilet. Then what I did was put one of those like smelly things in the bathroom thingy, toilet. You obviously know that, idiot. But yeah, put one of those things in. Then I put some Zaflora into the toilet brush thing. This is the scent Summer Breeze. Not really the biggest fan of it, I'll be honest. And then I put some more and some warm water into the mop and just wiped away. Onto my like dressing room now. This wasn't so messy. It was literally just kind of like cleaning up the floor, putting away my skincare that I did in the morning, and hanging up clothes. There wasn't really much to do here, luckily. I do try to keep this area clean because I do film in it, and I spend most of my time actually in this room. Okay, so I noticed that on my couch it had these like sticky residues from my mask things that I had done, and it was really bothering me. So I used this Dr. Beckman carpet stain remover. Honestly, this stuff is amazing. It gets everything out. I've even used it on the carpet for hair dye, and it comes off so easily. It's like brand new, and the smell is actually quite nice. Really recommend. And to the mirror, and again using the white vinegar to just wipe it down. If you had seen my vlog, this is the little painting I've done. As you can see, I have not done much from the painted by numbers since that vlog. It's been very busy actually, so I have not done much more. But yeah, this is obviously my makeup table. Just using the Dettol wipes again, just to wipe it down. It was mostly just paint that was on here, but it needed a good scrub, and it was very dusty as well. And again, I'm just going to use the white vinegar for my little mirror as well. Hoovering now, hoovering away. I actually really like this little hoover, even though it doesn't really last that long. It costs about 50 quid, but I was not spending 200 odd quid on this, like one of those fancy hoovers. I just wanted a cordless one. Found this on Amazon for like 50 quid. Then I will be using the carpet spray. This is Carpet Fresh in the scent Fresh Linen and White Flowers. Just spray that all over. Then the Febreze in the scent Bloom Scent. Oh my god, it's so good. Onto the bedroom now. This I purposely let get really messy, just for the sake of the video, because there isn't really much in my room. But yeah, literally just picking up everything off the floor. Noticed that my wash basket was getting very, very high, so I thought I should probably do a wash, even though most of this is Sam's stuff. Like, I've been living with the same like loungewear for the past like weeks, whereas he's like proper getting changing, and it's just like, why is there so much washing? I'm actually like kind of embarrassed looking at this video, like, oh, I can't believe I'm letting you see this. Okay, now on to Sam's little clothing rail. I didn't want to share my wardrobe with him. I'm going to be honest with you, so I thought I'll just get him a little rail for while he's here. I actually quite like how it looks. As you can see, we are very common in the sense of all we wear is black clothes. I cannot speak today. Very rarely wear colour. But I did set him this task, but the clothes have been sitting on the side for a very long time, and I just thought, you know what, I'm going to do it because there's no in hell he's going to do it. Is that just, like, I don't know, is it just men in general? Again, my camera died without me realising, but I just stripped the bed. Honestly, when I wanted to see it, the sheets was just like, my side was just full of fake tan stains, really embarrassing. But I put the new sheet on, and now I'm just putting on the duvet. Oh my god, this is the hardest task ever. I was exhausted. Like, as you can see throughout, I just get so tired. It's like a king size, and I'm just small, and it's just heavy and thick. Oh, does anyone else feel like that when they make the bed by themselves? It's honestly a workout in itself. I was exhausted. I really am unfit. This is probably a sign that I should go to the gym or do something, because if I'm getting this tired from just doing the bed, then I am unhealthy. This little section when I was tidying it made me realise I really need to get some bedside tables, because I just had these little things that I literally just put down on the floor that I should really put on a bedside table. Hoovering again away, then I used obviously the carpet fresh again, sprayed that all around, and then I am done. If I did anything wrong, please do let me know, because I am clueless at this. I try my hardest. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Bye!